Hi, I'm Jennifer Murray, and I'm going to be briefly introducing you to the database Culturegrams by ProQuest. There are 4 versions: a World Edition, a Kids Edition, a States Edition, and a Provinces Edition. The States Edition is great for those that want to learn more about the states in the United States of America. The Provinces Edition is great for those that want to learn more about the provinces inside of the country of Canada. The World Edition, as well as the Kids Edition, focus mostly on continents and on countries. Once you get inside of which one you're choosing, and by the way, there's not much difference between the World Edition and the Kids Edition. I'll show you some differences, but they're very similar. Once you get inside, there's a map. You can click on a continent and then on a country, or you can click from the list here. You can also click this drop-down menu and choose a continent or a country from there. So let's click on Africa and on the Congo, Kinshasa. The main difference between the World Edition and the Children's Edition is this lifestyle section. So in the World Edition, it talks about marriage, family, things like that. And in the Kids Edition, it talks about sports and games, holidays, food, schools, and the day in the life of a kid in that country. There are also topics to browse: people and places, history, that lifestyle section, society, and culture, facts, and context. I think it's really neat that the flag is in the middle, and then there's a little link that you can listen to someone say the name of the country so that you know that you're pronouncing it correctly. There is also a spot that you can listen to the country's anthem, and a spot where you can see the outline map to see the shape of the country, and a detailed map where you can zoom in, and I've already zoomed in on this, so let me zoom back out. You can zoom in and see the states or the capitals and some more information about the country as well. There are also some quick facts here. And then over on the right, there's even more information that you can delve into about that country. At the bottom, I want to draw your attention to the teaching activities and the curriculum standards. So there are activities that go along with that country. And then you can click and see how all those activities in that educational resource set goes along with the Common Core state standards. Across the top, there are these topics that are not specific to the country that you're in. They're specific to videos, interviews, famous people, recipes, and flags can be searched for by country. Though oddly, videos, instead of having this kind of alphabetical organization like the other tabs do, it has 1 through 21, and when you click, it's still in alphabetical order, but you may get more than one beginning letter per page. So photos, up here at the top, is organized by country or by continent sometimes. And then slideshows, we have some subtopics underneath the countries that you can learn about. Graphs and tables compares different countries. So you can click over here and see the landmass of the different countries all in one chart. You can also create your own comparison tables and comparison graphs. So say we want to look at the landmass of Russia versus the United States. We scroll down and find Russia, click it, and scroll down and find the United States of America and click it. We want to see area in square miles. We create that comparison graph and we can see how large Russia is compared to the United States. I think that's a really neat tool for someone that may be doing a project on 2 different countries or comparing different things about countries. So the possibilities here are endless. You can see all the topics that you can compare over here on the right. Now for search options, Culturegrams is kind of limited. You just have this little search bar here, and that's true for all 4 versions: the World version, the Kids version, the States, and the Provinces version. So you can click over here and you can type in a country and you get your results here. Once you're inside of this, however, you can further filter your search by the edition that you want to look through. because you do get some different results for that, by famous people, by recipes, by videos, or by photos. I also thought it was neat that there's the search rules over here that apply to this specific site. So that's a nice little help tool over there. I also want to draw attention to this link Google account. So you can link a Google Drive or a Google School account, and that way you can save articles from Culturegrams. I thought that was a helpful tool. I think Culturegrams could really be used to learn more about different countries and cultures and states and provinces as well. And I think that it would be a really neat tool specifically for kids to use when they're doing reports in class, and just also not just for them to learn about different cultures, but to learn how to do research and presentations as well. In conclusion, though the search tool could be improved upon for Culturegrams, it's a unique database that's fun and that makes it convenient to learn facts about other cultures and people groups. So it's very valuable in my opinion.